What are safeties, protection and maintenance on main switchboard need to be taken care? Main switchboard or MSB to be installed on a raised platform. The location where switchboard or MSB is installed should have good ventilation, illumination and affected by minimum vibration. No water or oil pipes should pass above the switchboard or MSB. There should be adequate space around, allowing comfortable operation and maintenance. The operating floor space in front and behind the switchboard or MSB should be covered with anti-skid insulated rubber mats with a minimum thickness of 15 mm. Panel doors should be in locked position. Door opening mechanism should be interlocked with power supply. The enclosure should be drip proof. MSB should be dead front type, is that all the live conductors should pass behind MSB. Every equipment on board must be properly earthed. Also, MSB must be properly earthed. Every incoming and outgoing feed must be protected by a switch, fuse or circuit breaker. Insulation resistance should not be less than 1 megaohm in any case. Insulation resistance to be checked and records are maintained. All meters must be calibrated periodically and records are maintained. All the meters, switches, fuses, push button, indicating lamps, etc. should be in working condition and identified with individual nameplate or tag. All the interlocks must be in working condition. Operating switch gear, tools such as circuit breaker handle, fuse puller, lamp grip, etc. must be readily available and to be used. Red tag or nameplate indicating high voltage and danger sign should be fitted. Appropriate ready-to-use fire extinguisher should be positioned nearby. CO2 and DCP. Charts indicating drill procedures in case of electric shocks must be displayed near MSB. Wiring diagram laminated or framed indicating supply system must be displayed nearby. All the appropriate spares should be properly preserved and protected, individually packed and identified, and should be readily available for use. Earth fault indications should be fitted and displayed in front panel. 24-volt battery supply emergency light should be provided near MSB.